Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted YouTube videos. Let's get into it. First step, open YouTube and make sure you are logged in with your YouTube channel account. Now, you need to navigate to Help and Feedback. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and scroll down until you see Help and Feedback. Click on it. Now, once you are in the Help page, click on Contact Us. Here, describe that your YouTube video got deleted accidentally and you want to recover it. Then tap on Next. Click on Other and tap Next Step. Now scroll down and tap Next Step again. Now you can choose Chat Now or email them. Ensure that you attach or send the YouTube video link that you want to recover. Attaching the video link will increase the possibility of successful recovery. This will help bring back your deleted video. So that's how you can recover deleted YouTube videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.